Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 2nd of September 2020 question. Question number 5. If it's a memory based question, the given integration is between the limit 1 to 2 mod of 2x minus greatest in x mod dx is equal to what? Four options are given where this denotes the greatest integer function. So, our given integral, this is the problem in the house of integral calculus. At first, our given integral is 1 to 2 mod of 2x minus greatest in x mod dx. So we just simplify 2x, write down like this: 3x minus greatest of 3x, greatest in 3x minus x. So 3x minus x is equal to 2x dx. Now this is the fractional part of 3x. This is the fractional part of 3x. So so we write down 1 to 2. This is 3x, the fractional part of 3x minus x modulus dx. Now when we it is modulus is removed, then we write down that it is between the limit 1 to 2, it becomes minus of x. So minus of x means x minus fractional part of 3x dx. So this integral we divide into integrals, just 1 to 2 x dx minus integration 1 to 2 fractional part of 3x dx. It becomes, we easily say, x square by 2 between the limit 1 to 2. Now here is to solve this integral, we just change the limit, that 3 into 1 by 3, it is 1, and it is changed 3 into 1 by 3, it is 2, and we write down this is the fractional part of 3x dx. It becomes 2 square by 2 means 2 minus half, and this becomes, we know, 6 minus 3 between the limit 0 to t, t means 1 by 3, 3x dx. So it becomes 3 by 2 minus of 3 into, it is remove 3 from this, and it becomes 0 to 1 by 3 x dx. So it is 3 by 2 minus it is 9 into x square between the limit 0 to 1 by 3, between the limit 0 to 1 by 3. So calculate this: 3 by 2, it is x square by 2, also because it x. So when we this x integration, it is x square by 2, and it is 9 by 2 into 1 by 9 minus 0, putting the limit. So it becomes 3 by 2 minus 9 by 2 into 1 by 9. So it becomes 3 by 2 minus half and it is 1. So here is the required answer, and our option is option 1 answer. This is the correct choice. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. That's all. Thanks for watching my video.